As a travel professional, I wake up with one goal: to find the perfect destination for my clients. I'm on the hunt for hidden gems, places where the magic of the landscape meets the comfort of home. My mission? To find the perfect vacation or retreat venue for my client. Sounds simple, right? But this mission wasn't just any client, and it was for a retreat. And this just isn't any destination. This is Sedona, Arizona, a place that's known to leave people breathless. I was invited to tour A Sunset Château in the process of looking for this retreat venue. I couldn't wait to see it. When I pulled into the parking lot, my expectations were sky high. I'd heard so much about this boutique property. But as I parked and took my first look around, let's just say I wasn't blown away. From the parking lot, it seemed ordinary, not the jaw-dropping moment I had hoped for. But I wasn't about to give up. And then, everything changed. This wasn't just a patio, it was a portal. The whimsical colors, the vibrant sculptures, the pottery, the breathtaking red rock views, all of it hit me like a wave. And the best part? You can enjoy all of this while dining at their on-site restaurant tables. And suddenly I got it. Sometimes it's not love at first sight. Sometimes it takes a little longer to just see the magic. Inside, the magic continued. The lobby felt like walking into somebody's dream home, cozy, artistic, and full of personality. From the crackling fireplace to the bold, vibrant yellow walls, everything here told a story, and the cherry on top? The property is family owned. The owner, who's also an artist, sculpted many of the stunning pieces you see around the grounds, and she also gave me a personal tour. I couldn't wait to explore the grounds, and wow, did they deliver. I mean, this just isn't a property. This is a playground for grown-ups. I mean, look at this property. The greenery, the trellis, all these cozy little places to sit. Oh my gosh, that swing. I could sit there for hours and never want to leave. I mean, come on. The hammocks, the fire pits, endless cozy nooks just to sit back and soak in those red rock views. All right, we're making our way to the pool now, but look at these. I can't get over how cozy these valley beds are. I would never want to leave here. Look at that. And here's the pool. And while it's not huge, it's perfect for the property's size. And yes, even here you get those iconic Sedona views. And I love this little slice of heaven here. That's the hot tub. This place absolutely screams rest and relaxation. I mean, these hammocks, I can't get over how cozy this whole property is. And there's so many special little pieces of artwork everywhere, even on the patios. Next, it's time to see the rooms, and let me tell you, each one of them is its own little masterpiece. First up, the Royal Hacienda, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath suite that feels like a luxury home. To our immediate right is the first bedroom and bath combo. I love that tiling on the tub. All right, going back into the hall, you'll see there's plenty of artwork everywhere on the walls to enjoy. And this leads us into the living space. From the leather couches to the vibrant sinks, every corner is packed with personality. Oh, now we've got to go see this view on the balcony. Wow, out of this world. And I love all the cozy seating options. Back now into the kitchen. You'll notice this is a full-size kitchen, full-size fridge, stove, and that leads us into the master bedroom. Look at the detail on that headboard. Just stunning work. And these sinks, just absolutely gorgeous works of art. And that tub, oh yes, that is where I would be soaking every night. That craftsmanship is just astounding. And a nice big shower. All right, back now out into our living space. Oh, there's a nice work desk. This is just so cozy. It feels like you're at home, like you're in your own apartment or house. Next up is Pueblo Bonito, a cozy one-bedroom suite. Here you'll see they have a 2-person table, a cozy fireplace, and a leather couch. This one also has a balcony. Those views, I cannot get enough of those views. And I love that they have different seating options on the balcony. All right, let's go see what this bedroom is about. As we pass the kitchen, it is a kitchenette. It's not full size. Here, oh, look at that work of art. That chest of drawers is an absolute stunning piece. And here, this king bed also has a corner tub. What a nice touch. And even though everything is so beautiful and ornate, it just feels cozy, like you're at home. And now we're going to our final room on this tour, the Premium Casita. This suite is great for families because it has a Murphy bed, a full kitchenette, and plenty of space for up to 4 guests. Here again, I love the details in the decor and that cozy fireplace that we've seen in every room so far. I just feel so at home in these rooms. Here's our kitchenette. And let's go take a peek inside this bedroom. Love the flair for the southwestern decor. And again, that woodwork on the headboard. Mwah, it's chef's kiss. It's just beautiful. We have our writing desk. Again, more beautiful woodwork on that dresser. A nice big shower in the bathroom here. Just a gorgeous, very comfortable room that feels like home. And although this one doesn't have a balcony, they do have a patio. Now it's time to decide. Is this the perfect retreat venue for my client? The answer, though, not quite. While it's stunning, its boutique size makes it tricky for larger groups and those on a tighter budget, so it may be a little out of reach. But that doesn't mean it's not amazing. I mean, this is a great place if you're a couple, a small group, or someone looking for an artistic or peaceful getaway with heart and soul. Then this place is for you. Who it's not for? This property isn't great for large group retreats that need big event spaces. This is a luxury stay, and the room rate does reflect that, so it's also not quite right for anybody looking for a bargain stay. This may not have been the right fit for my client, but it did remind me of why I love this job. Every destination has its magic, and A Sunset Château, it's a place I'll dream about coming back to next time for myself. If this sounds like your kind of escape, hit that subscribe button and let's keep uncovering the world's hidden gems, one adventure at a time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.